Welcome to 21 Northern Pines Boulevard, here in one of the most exclusive communities in Vaughan, Ontario, in the neighborhood of Kleinburg. This property sits on a premium 1 acre Ravine lot. It has 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. It has over 11,000 square feet of interior living space. It has this massive wraparound drive-through through the arched driveway leading to a 5-car garage. It's an absolutely amazing property. It's one of the best properties in the country, and I'm so excited to take you guys today through this property tour. Let's go check it out. As we enter the house, the first room that we'll make our way into is the grand foyer. And the grand foyer has 22-foot high ceilings, as well as it has this beautiful chandelier as a centerpiece to the room. Behind the room, we have 5 enlarged window panels, which go 20 feet high, providing lots of natural light to the room and views to the backyard, as well as this beautiful waterfall fountain. And this is really a great centerpiece to the entire house, as it provides access to the dining room, the kitchen, the gym, the office. And now we'll make our way to one of my favorite rooms in the house, and it's the kitchen. Let's go check it out. We're inside one of my favorite rooms in the house, which is the kitchen. And first thing you'll notice is this beautiful center island, which is the centerpiece to the entire room. This room has built-in fridges. It has a built-in coffee maker, 2 conventional ovens. It has a built-in cooktop. It's all top-of-the-line Miele appliances. They have another small built-in fridge. And as we'll see here, there's this dining area which flows right into the backyard. It has beautiful window panels which cover the entire room, providing lots of natural light and provides a great indoor-outdoor feel to this room. It's absolutely amazing, and it flows really well into our next room, which is the living room. Inside the living room, and first thing you'll notice is this massive built-in TV attached to this beautiful accent wall. It has built-in speakers as well, and an electric fireplace. Now, the entire house has built-in speakers, which is connected to one central system. It's great for hosting parties and entertaining, and this space provides a great feel to the house as it flows into the kitchen, the dining room, as well as the cabana, which is the next room that we'll go see. We like to call it the Miami room, and you're gonna see why. So now we're inside the Miami room, which really feels like a cabana because of these enlarged doorways with these sliding glass doors. It provides a great indoor-outdoor feel to the backyard as well as the pool. And you'll notice that sound, that's the waterfall to the pool. And this room is absolutely amazing for hosting, for having friends over, for hanging out in the summertime. It's connected to the living room as well. And now I want to show you guys absolutely one of the best features of this property, which is the backyard. So let's go check it out. So now we're in one of the best backyard spaces in the country. This backyard has 3 different levels. This main level is for dining and hanging out. We'll see this waterfall fountain, which provides a great feature to the exterior of the property. And now we'll make our way to the second level of the backyard, which is a swimming pool. It has this interlocking paved yard, which provides a great cabana style feel to this area. We have the rock waterfall fountain, which you'll hear the noise. That's where that's coming from. And what I really want you to notice now is the number of windows there are attached to this property. It's what provides a lot of natural light inside the unit, and it's why this property is one of the most unique properties in the country, providing lots of views to the backyard as well as this massive ravine lot, and it's why it makes this property so special. So now we're inside the formal dining room, and the first thing we'll notice is this beautiful accent wall with these built-in light fixtures, as well as this amazing chandelier. The ceiling is also indented with lights to provide lots of ambience to this room, and it's just a great room for hosting, as well as a centerpiece to the entire house. Welcome to your own personal fitness center inside this property. This room has been converted into a gym. There's lots of space in here to add additional machinery and weights. Look at the large window panels, adding lots of natural light, as well as views to the backyard, as well as the ravine. I don't think you could have asked for a better gym. There's also a TV here, as well as a surround sound system, and there's a shower in here to take care of all of your needs. So now welcome to the office space inside this property. It's located on the main floor. There's a textured floor. There's also an accent wall with 6 different window panels providing lots of natural light. There's high ceilings in this room, as well as additional storage. And it's just a great place for you to get your work done. Okay, so now we've made it to the second floor, and the first thing you're gonna notice is these beautiful custom engraved walls, as well as this 20-foot window that carries on to the second floor and provides lots of natural light. And as we make our way through this hallway, we're gonna see beautiful custom designed hardwood flooring. As well, we have this open archway, which leads to the view of the backyard, as well as the main floor, and this beautiful chandelier. The chandelier's on a hydraulic lift, so it can be raised and lowered electronically. And there's 5 large window panels, which are 20 foot high as well, providing views to the backyard as well as the water fountain. So there's 4 bedrooms on the second floor, each with its own ensuite washroom. As well, each one of the bedrooms has custom accent walls and millwork, which provides a unique feel to each one of the bedrooms. And I really can't wait to show you guys the master bedroom. It's absolutely amazing, so let's go check it out. Okay, so now we're inside the master bedroom, and the first thing you're gonna notice are these enlarged window panels, which provide a lot of natural light to the room. As well, it provides an amazing view to the backyard, as well as the Ravine Lot. And now inside the master bedroom, you're gonna see that the master bed sits in front of this indented accent wall, which has this beautiful wallpaper, which matches the rest of the room. And let's go take a look now at the outdoor terrace, which wraps around to the ensuite. Okay, so now we're on the outdoor terrace, which is connected to the master bedroom as well as the master ensuite. And there's about 250 square feet of outdoor terrace space here, providing amazing views to the backyard as well as the Ravine Lot. And you can just sit out here all day and soak in the views as well as the rays. Inside the master ensuite, and the first thing we're gonna notice is this beautiful soaking tub, as well as this enlarged vanity with 2 sinks and a built-in electric fireplace. And right over here, we have this amazing rainfall shower with a ton of space in there. And over here, we have the entry to the outdoor terrace as well. So now we're in the master bedroom walk-in closet, and there's 3 different sections here. As well, there's built-in organizers and this beautiful center island with additional storage to complete the entire room. So that was a property tour of 21 Northern Pines Boulevard, an absolutely amazing property. I'd like to thank the listing agents, which is myself. This is our listing. I want to say a massive thank you to all of you on YouTube for supporting us. You know, we've been doing luxury property tours for a couple years now, and we've always been shooting other listing agents' properties. So it's such a pleasure today to say that this is one of my very own listings. If you know anyone who's interested in the property, feel free to reach out to me directly. You can find my information below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel as well. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you very much.